Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today we're gonna play some Ultimate Chicken Horse. I'm just gonna change here. Where's let me play this one here. So, which one do you wanna play?
Let's play the farm, I guess.
Alright.
Let's
There
do
should be
this.
new
Let's try
maps.
this.
Mm-hmm. It's too easy. But we need for real more people, man.
How can we get friends?
You're asking the wrong one. And I guess here the advantage of goats. Yes.
What?
Yeah, yeah. No! No! You need to die. You need to die. Oh my god, I even
What?
died. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! No! No way!
Easy money.
No! This was like you win or you get fucked in the ass. Nothing in between. No, I'm so fucked. I'm so fucking fucked. Yes, now I need to win.
The doors just opened my death up.
What?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! He's coming for your ass.
Man.
This is too easy. What?
Oh yes, okay. We are coming.
This is unfair.
Give me a comeback. Give me a comeback. Oh, let me do it a bit harder.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah, but where's the portal even going?
I think I know where it's going.
Nowhere. Oh, fucking hell.
It's not going. It's not going
Come
anywhere.
on, let me show me how good you are. Ooh. Oh, hey? What does that thing even do? Yes! Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I was on it. I was literally moving. I was quick.
Fuck your pot, man. Yeah,
Let's
well,
try
this
this.
does exactly nothing.
Yes, you do nothing.
What is this bullshit? How did you get a coin and win? Oh my god.
I placed it.
My god. Yeah,
Easy
that for
money.
real, man. That money stuff, man. That fucked me completely, man.
Want to do stick fight?
Yeah, jeez. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Smash like, smash subscribe. Let's see you guys in the next video.
Smash like.
What? Why are you laughing?
Oh. Why are you laughing? Oh no, you're just funny.
Alright guys, you heard him. Smash like, smash subscribe guys. Let's see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys still have a wonderful day. And bye guys.